Playing small is a choice. So is winning big. 8 affirmations for ambitious thinking. Here we go. I think big. I think big. I take smart chances. I take smart chances. I go for big goals. I go for big goals. People see my greatness. People see my greatness. Every day I aim higher. Every day I aim higher. Today I win big. Today I win big. I am ambitious. I am ambitious. I claim my success. I claim my success. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.